Hey guys, here's Destiny. And here's her cage. This is a Shanghai cage. Yeah, and she's got some toys and that big triangle. She sleeps on that. She's got a half-eaten treat. She's got her food bowls. And she has a millet that she dropped down there. I think it's really cute. But you're cuter. You're cuter, huh, Destiny? Yeah, I'm really close, but my arm only goes so far. Yeah, she's good. She's a good girl. We've had her 9 weeks now. She's a fancy parakeet. And her flight feathers are starting to grow. Because they cut their feathers at the pet store. It looks like they're growing, so you'll be flying soon. She could fly in here. This is kind of a big room. Oh, yeah. She could probably fly around in here. She's such a good bird, guys. Really, really mellow, and yeah, we just love her. So, I guess I'll stop my video here. Just giving you guys another update on Destiny, the fancy parakeet. Say bye, Destiny. Say bye-bye. Bye.